Hi everyone, I thought I would just quickly jump on and show you something that arrived in my letterbox today. So I have this Pomegranate Pins and Prints mystery post. Now this is the September mystery post. This one's no longer available, but you can order their October mystery post. You can order that now. So it comes in both a Hobonichi and an Erin Condren kit. So I might just open these up and then I'll show you what's inside these little bags. Now, before I show you all of these, I just saw this cute little sticker seal on the bags. I just think that's such a cute touch with the September Pommie mystery post. I feel like that's so hard to say sometimes. But now I'll show you what's in here. There's so much in there. So like last month, there's this little stickers that you can mark when your mystery post has arrived and when you want to order the following one. So they're just like a half box size, which I'll put that in my planner. Probably once I go through all of this, I'll pop that in my planner because it's fun to mark these things in as well. Then this one is a little sampler. So there's some really cute little selfies here and these really nice, like a functional, like an icon. Really handy to use. I love the little vacuum and the basket. They're just really cute little hand-drawn icons. Then this is our like vinyl sticker. Now I did hear Sammy say that these are weather resistant. I'm pretty sure. Now they're just like a really nice glossy sticker. You could use it as a die cut, I suppose, and just not take the sticker, like the backing off. I've been putting these ones in my, I wanted to keep like track of all the mystery posts because I do plan on getting them every month. So I've already got the B from last month and I just put them in my Hobonichi that I've got like a clear cover. So I thought that would be really cute to fill that with all of the little like characters for each mystery post. I just didn't want them to go to waste, and I don't know, I'm not sure what I'll do with them because you'll accumulate them very quickly getting one every month. Now this squirrel's name, I think it's Sassy the Squirrel. Seems to be like a new character for each month as well. So last month it was obviously like a bee theme, and then this one is a fruit theme, but there's cute little Sassy in there as well. Now something else, I guess, that I do want to note before showing you this one is that I know the girls over at Pomegranate Pins and Prints didn't want... well, I don't know if they had feedback or something like that, but we've got the Sassy the Squirrel here and on the deco sheet, but the character's not actually featured throughout the kit. So if you're someone that likes to use lots of different characters or something, or you're worried it might get a bit crowded because the colors are so vibrant as well, that's probably like a little bit of a, not a concern, but just something that I like that they've taken into account, that you've got the option of adding in the character here. So that's our little sticker. Then we've got our deco sheet with some cute little puns, of course. I really love these little avocados. They're super cute. So all just cut just around there. I don't know if you can really see. Cut beautifully. Lots of good little ones. These could be really cute to use as like little checkpoints instead of a normal like solid color circle as well. Same with the strawberries. You could use those for that reason as well. Then we've got a journaling card. So this is just on a really thick, shiny cardstock. Oh, and the back is like a matte, so I don't know if you could use a pen on that. It does feel like it has a little bit of a coating, but maybe like a permanent marker or something like that would work really well. So this is just super cute. Ring, ring, ring. Banana phone. Very funny. Last week we got the bookmark, so this is like the item that I think it might change each month, but this is just super cute. Then here we have the Erin Condren kit. Now this, as I said before, this is a fruit theme, and I think that's just perfect as we're getting, or hopefully, getting into the warmer weather here in Melbourne, but it's very unpredictable. So there's a double box here as well. So similar to last month's kit, it's not cut down the middle, which, I don't know, I think that just makes it easier to make sure it lines up next to each other really well. I do like to use a lot of double boxes in my spreads, so definitely really like these. Just super cute. I might even use this one. My little sister, she loves watermelon, so I might even use this for her birthday week or something at the start of next year. Oops. Then we've got all of our little things, our boxes, and then again, some are plain and some are decorative, which I really like. And then also like plain with a little decoration, or they have like the pattern behind. So a good mixture in there. Then we've got the same setup with the checklist that you can layer over the boxes if you prefer to have like a box checklist. And then these two here, they're just like another box, almost like a washi strip. You've got your habit trackers, and then again icons that are going to match the colors of the kit, which I really like. I think it's really cute that they have like a little different planner each time, and then some scripts as well. So because these are just scripts on their own, you could layer them over these flags, you could layer them over these, whatever you like. Then here is the washi sheet, which is super cute. I don't usually have room to fit both of these, so I'll have to decide which one I'm going to choose. I do really like this like smaller patterned one, but this one looks cool as well. We'll have to wait and see. Now this, I watched their Facebook Live, I think it was, that Sammy did. If you're not already, make sure you join their Pomegranate Pins Facebook group, because Sammy goes live on there a lot, also on Instagram, to show sneak peeks and like reveals of these things. But if you look at these dates, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that, the way they'll actually go in your planner, you'll see there's like a bit of an ombre. So I'm really excited to use this kit so I can see what it looks like once you have them all going across. I think it will look really beautiful. And then you've got your weekly checklist as well. So that is our Erin Condren kit, which is super cute. I really like that. And then I'll open up the hobo one and show you guys that one next. Alrighty, so these stickers are much the same. Oops. And another little vinyl sticker of Sassy. So the same two stickers here. I forgot to mention earlier, so this is like a little sneak peek for the following month. So if you follow Pomegranate Pins and Prints on Instagram or on Facebook or anything, you'll see that this cute little cat, which is also a sticker, I think the theme is like cozy kittens or something like that. So the colors are a little bit more muted than this kit and the one last month, but you can get a bit of an idea by looking at this one here. So I'm definitely excited to see some more sneak peeks, and then eventually the kits when they arrive too. Then we've got our deco sheet and the postcard, same as in the previous bundle. Then we've got our Hobonichi kit. So these ones are cut across here. So they're like your top and bottom washi. I think because I use a Hobonichi, I end up having like that one at the top, and that one I usually slice it in half and put a thin strip along the bottom. But I do really like both of them. They're very nice. And then, oh, this is a good idea of how the ombre will look on the date covers in the previous kit as well. This is really nice. And then this second sheet, you've got some decorative boxes, your habit trackers, checklists, all the other regular things that you would get in a Hobonichi kit. This long sticker is really thin, like super thin. Oh, this could even be handy on my Phobo. Let me show you what I mean. So you can see I have quite a bit of space up here. So I tend to use the thicker washi up there. And then at the bottom, I still like to put something to kind of like round it out. So these ones are really, really thin. So that could be a good option to put there. You could also use it as like dividers and things like that on your like grid page. The opportunities are endless. But I really like how many stickers you get with these, because I tend to do the 7 boxes next to each day, but I like having decorative ones as well. I think it just makes it a bit more fun. But that is it. That's my quick little reveal of the Pomegranate Pins and Prints mystery post. I really like getting these. I think the designs are very unique and they're different to any other stores. And there's something fun and a bit exclusive about getting something that's only available that month, and you have to pre-order it. Like, you don't know what you're going to get exactly. So I'll definitely be ordering the next, like the October, the Cozy Kittens one with this little clip art. So I'm not sure when I'm going to plan with these just yet. So keep an eye out on my Instagram, and if you follow me here on YouTube, obviously you'll know when I pop up new videos. But that is it from me today. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.